you need to install VMware Workstation. VMware Workstation is a virtualization software. So it means in Windows you can run Linux, in Windows you can run any operating system, any virtual thing. So VMware is a virtualized environment, okay, where you can run a lot of things. So I already give you a pro version, and you can download and click next, and you can install, yeah, VMware Workstation Pro. So let's go there. So I'm his system. So by the way, he already installed. This is VMware Workstation. It's easy to install. By the way, any software which you try to install, click next. Unfortunately, he already installed, so I thought I will show you from scratch. And let's see it's registered or not. So let's go to about VMware Workstation. So it's already licensed and no expiration. You can use that key, okay? Go to help and enter the key, which I share 3 keys, so you can register, but his one is already registered. And let's see which version he is using. So he is using the one which is required. It's best this the latest one, 16. So VMware is done. Now let's go back. What else you need? So when you download VMware Workstation, I already told you how you can download. Click next and install. And I already download EVE-NG GUI file from this link. So let's do the lab, okay? What you need to do, go to file and open, click on open in VMware Workstation, okay? And go to my drive, which I already share here. And there is a labs with the name lab or something, I copy. Okay, this is Ali, so let's go to this one. Yeah, this one, lab file. So this is the EVE Community Edition. If the extension is not showing, so maybe sometime the extension is off. By if you go to, let me show you, the extension is not showing, yeah. Basically, if you go to your computer and go to view, and here is file name extension, just to show you, otherwise it's not required. So now let's go back to EVE. Here is file, open, and go to the drive where I download, and here is lab file. This now is OVA file, okay, open virtualization file, okay. So click on EVE Community. These are the steps you need to follow. So name, suppose I will give them EVE, okay. I need to change the language to English. EVE-NG, okay, and the location where you want to store. So if we have another drive, so you don't have, so I will save on this place, and the same it will store them in user, and then his name and document and virtual machine with the name EVE-NG, and let me type C as well and click import. Now it will take some time, as depend on your RAM, okay. So I believe his RAM is okay, and also he is using SSD, so it may take another 1 and 2 minutes maximum. So this is the way we already make ready the file, then we import the file. These are the file I already download and it's ready, okay. Let me show you. If I go there, so in previous video I show you which you need. So we download 7-zip, we download EVE Community Edition, window pack, and we have VMware Workstation and WinSCP. These are the things required, yeah. So it's ready, okay. So let's go back to there, and let's see, it will take some time to come up. It will import them. This is what you need to follow in your home to do the same thing, okay. Now let's see, it will come up, yeah. Now don't start this one because we need to change something. Let me see how much RAM he is. So this PC, and if I click on this PC, so 16, so he have 16, so it's okay. 8 GB I will allocate to EVE-NG. Processor I will allocate 4, okay. Now click on this one, edit virtual machine. Either you can click anywhere, it will edit them, okay. It's edit. Either you can click edit virtual machine. This is the EVE-NG which I import. Before to run them, you need to increase the RAM as per your system. If you have 16 GB, allocate 8 GB to EVE-NG. Processor at least 4, so it's already you allocate. But the hard drive is very small, 40 GB, because we will install many things and we will store the labs. So what you can do, click on add button here, and from here add another hard drive. This is virtual hard drive. It will not affect your hard drive, okay? Don't worry. Click next. Click the same. Don't change anything. Next. And let me add 50 GB. I will add another 50 GB, but I will say store in one single file, this one. Click on this link and click next and finish. So now they will add another hard drive. So 40 and so it's become 90 GB. I allocate to this one so that I can run each and everything easily. This one is done. Now you see the network adapter is bridge. I don't want to use the bridge. So change the first one to NAT and change the second one to host only. So I change the adapter. Keep in mind and make them NAT. I will tell you what is NAT. And next I change them to host only. So these are the two adapter which I change. That's it. And what else I need to do? That's it. I add one extra hard drive. I change the adapter. Keep in mind and click OK. And now it's change NAT and host only and 50 hard drive. Now you can on. You can click on here. Either you can go click on here and either here as well. So let me on this virtual machine. So what I done, I download 5 things and make them ready. Then I open this one, EVE community. I change the adapter. I add one hard drive and now I click to start them. Okay. You can see here is 2 hard drive and 2 adapter. EVE, so it will show you the window emulated virtual environment, next generation. And obviously this one is the best one. All CCIE, CCNP, everybody is using this one. Okay, it's showing me the IP 192.168.134.128, and above is showing me the username. It says the username is root and password is EVE, EVE. Okay, so let me type root, password is EVE and enter. It will come up. It's better to keep the same password. If you want any other password, it's okay. So I will type, it will not show, okay? EVE and enter. EVE again, enter. Now what is the name of the machine? So I say it's okay, EVE-NG. Now it say what will be the DNS? Keep the same. Now how they will connect? So keep the same, enter. And NTP, no, enter. Direct connect, yes, enter. That's it. So what I done, I type EVE 2 times and enter, enter, enter. That's it. It will restart and now it's ready to use them. Okay. So it was so easy to set up. This is the beauty of this one. Otherwise, there is other alternative. You may heard about GNS3 and other simulation packet tracer. These are also available. It's very limited. But here you can do whatever you want. A lot of labs and everything. Okay. So now let's see, it's come up again. So what was the username? Root and password is EVE and enter. And now I'm logging. So what I can do, what is the IP? 192.168.134 and 128. And they say use HTTP, not HTTPS. Clear as mentioned, yeah? So go to any of your browser and type here, okay, 192.168 and what was the IP? 134.128. 134.128 and enter. Okay, and now you can see EVE-NG. Now keep in mind the username is different here, admin, and password is similar, EVE. So let me write down this for you. So for EVE-NG, CLI username is root and password is EVE, and for GUI username is admin and EVE. This is the only difference. Okay, and type here EVE, and there are 2 options available, HTML5 and native, is up to you, both are okay, and click sign in. And here first you need to create a lab. Okay, so click on add new lab and give a name, suppose CCNA, if you want to start from CCNA or any other thing, CCNA lab, and save. Okay, and now it's open. So now you can see, but there is nothing available. If I go to nodes, so all these nodes are grayed out. Maybe one is available, VPC or something, but nothing. You see, a lot of thing is support, cyber roam, cisco sa, look at, but I cannot use anything. This was just to configure this one. Okay, now another thing, how I can upload these nodes. Now this the way to upload them to this virtual machine, this one. I need those images which I need to make and lab, I need to upload, and for that upload I need a application, and that application I told you which is called WinSCP. So let me show you this the way how I done. I click open, then I change the interfaces. Okay, change the interfaces, change the RAM. Okay, port processor, this one, and then I change the adapter to NAT. Okay, and then power on, and then next type the username. So in document is also mentioned, if you forgot, so root and password is EVE. Okay, and first time I type EVE again, EVE-NG the name, then click enter, click enter, click enter, click enter, and that's it. If you want to update, it's basically a good idea. If there is any update, so you can use this command to update them. So let's try this one is better. So come here, if update or something, so it will connect to the internet. If you are using NAT adapter, so it will update the latest one. It's better to update them to the latest one. Okay, if get update and if get upgrade, if you want to upgrade them, but it's okay, these two commands are also available. That's it. And when you reboot, so type the same IP, and here you need to type admin and EVE, and you can access them. Next thing, we need to install the client pack. Okay, so let me stop here.